Hi students, today we are going to see on topic visual inspection. I am Sathish, Assistant Professor Mechanical Engineering Department at Akshaya College of Engineering and Technology. Visual inspection. Visual inspection is commonly defined as the examination of a material, component or product for consideration of non-conformance using light and the eyes alone or in conjunction with various aids. Most basic and common inspected method is visual inspection. Portable video inspection unit with zoom allows inspection of large tank and vessel, railroad track, car, sweeper lines. Robotic crawlers permit observation in hazardous or tight areas such as air ducts, reactors, pipelines. Visual inspection is one of the most widely used non-destructive testing method for detection of discontinuous before they causes major problem. Example: poor welding, surface defect, corrosion pit, general condition, degradation, blockage, and foreign material. Visual inspection means the inspection of equipment and structures using a combination of human senses such as vision, hearing, touch, and smell. Visual inspection is sometimes carried out in conjunction with devices such as a lower power magnifying glass, borescope, fibroscope, digital video borescope, camera system, and robotic crawler system. Generally, almost any specimen can be visually examined to determine the accuracy of its fabrication. For example, visual inspection can be used to determine whether the part are fabricated to the correct size, whether the part is complete, or whether all of the parts have been appropriately incorporated into the device. Vision. The eye. Human eye is the most valuable entity tool. Sensitivity of the human eye varies according to the light source. Human eye has an excellent visual perception. Yellow-green lights of wavelength 5560 degree ampere is the most suitable light for human eye at normal condition. Tools used in visual inspection: mirror, magnifying glasses, microscope, borescope, endoscope, flexible fibers, closed circuit television system, computer enhanced system. Application of visual inspection. It is used to inspect whether there is a misalignment of part in the equipment. It checks for corrosion, erosion, cracks, and deformities of machine component. It inspects the plant component for any leakage or abnormal operation. It is used to identify the defects in weldments. Limitation of visual inspection: can identify only large discontinuity. Limited to surface discontinuities. Skilled labor required. Result depends on the eye resolution of the inspector. It may cause eye fracture to the inspector. Light and light source. The amount of light is depend upon the type of test. For an appropriate visual inspection, suitable lighting of about 800 to 1000 lux. The major lighting sources are incandescent lamp, fluorescent lamp, high intensity discharge lamp. Material factors that affects visual testing: surface condition, cleanliness, color, texture. Environmental factor: atmosphere, cleanliness, humidity and temperature, safety. Physical condition, specimen condition, shape and size, temperature. Psychological factor, physical comfort, health, mental attitude, fatigue and test items position. Types of visual inspection, unaided visual inspection, aided visual inspection. Now we are seeing unaided visual inspection. It is also known as direct visual inspection. It can be accomplished with the help of naked eye. It can done without of the help of optical aids. Defects can be detected are absence of cracks, corrosion layer, surface porosity, misalignment of medial parts. Aided visual inspection. It is also known as indirect visual inspection. It is performed using optical instruments. This will identify the defects which cannot detect with human eye. It permits visibility to areas are not accessible to human eye. Visual perception. It is the interpretation of impression transmitted from retina of eye to the brain in terms of information. Visual perception depends on the vision acuity. Human eye has an excellent visual perception. Tools used in visual inspection: mirror, magnifying glass, microscope, borescope, endoscope, flexible fiber, closed circuit television system, computer enhancer system. Now we are seeing magnifying mirror. As picture shows, it is also known as concave spherical mirror. It is used to magnify the area which are not accessible to human eye. Magnifying glass. It is also called as hand lens. This lens is used to produce a magnified image. Magnification depends upon the position where it is being placed between the human eye and the object. For higher power magnification, double or multiple lenses are used. Microscope. Microscope is used to magnify the image of a smaller object. Magnification power is equal to 10 by focal. Borescope, which is used to inspect the inside of a narrow tube. It is flexible tube with an eyepiece at one end and objective lens at another end. Light is passed throughout the lens and to obtain a clear image. Available range is 2.5 mm to 19 mm video coverage. Endoscope. It is bit superior than borescope. Magnification factors of into 10 is obtained. Available is up to smaller dia of 1.7 mm and length up to 100 to 150 mm. Fibroscope, also called fiber optic borescope. Diameter ranges of about 3 to 12.5 mm and length varies between 60 to 365 cm. CCTV, robotic crawler system is used to identify the defects in the pipelines. Special lighting, backlighting, front lighting, structure lighting, strobe lighting, ultraviolet lighting. Computer enhanced visual system. In this system we can able to see a camera is placed to record the image. The light source is used. Then the particular optical image is digitalized. Then the particular image is converted into a code. That code is then processed as an enhanced image. From that we get the extracted information data that is used to control the system, recognize the system and decision system. All the criteria are used to find out the defects. Thanks for listening to today's section, students. Thank you.